Well, here we are. Yep. And now we get to see your next story, right?
Sure, Joe. This next story is this. I see you tell a story out of the comb.
What's a comb?
There's the thing on top of my head, Joe.
I never knew that. I learn something new every day.
Sure, you always got to learn something new, Joe, because we are chickens, and you know chickens know everything.
And so, is that right? So you come out of the barnyard to tell me what?
Yeah, you know, I'm going to tell you a story out of our comb, and it goes like this. Well, why did a chicken cross the road?
I don't know, you tell me.
He was trying to get to church's chicken.
Okay, and it's early in the morning, right?
No, Joe, it's in the afternoon. I just like to crow like that every once in a while, you know?
All right, because what?
Laughter is good for the soul and everything else. Don't I?